Well, we'll be going down this hill anytime soon. Imagine that just airing right over it, though.
Colors longboard fucked. I wobble and have
been. He's wobbling so bad on that. Holy shit. Do some longboarding today on roads that aren't being constructed on, because literally it seems like every road in Niagara Lake now is being worked on. I mean, yeah, it would be nice to be on a boat right now or something.
It's okay for a light that can like dump in the water and dive down.
Like here?
Yeah.
Is it because it's like...
Well, like, you know, all the lights for light jackets, right?
Oh, really?
You don't have to wear a fucking light jacket. What are you, pussy?
Time to get a monster.
Those look fucking good too, though.
Well, the Snapples.
Oh, the Joneses are so
Get some Faygo. Or actually, I heard that Red Rain is actually pretty decent too. Definitely getting my orange one.
Is it good? What does it taste like?
Oh, wait, what the hell is that one beside it? Some like butterfly looking one? Is that the one I got last time?
The fruit punch one, this one's good.
Oh yeah, that.
Is that?
Yeah. This is like my go-to one though, always.
Good, I'm not gonna get this. This is $2.29. What that fucking ring? I'm like,
No, I'm just gonna get this and that's it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand.
how came it hold true?
That's good. I desperately needed that.
I'm like halfway done mine already. Mark called me.
You did? Would you have that on silent?
Yeah. Yo, what up? Are you working still? We haven't chopped them off your cart? Oh, Mike already gnawed on. We don't have our clubs. Yeah. Look at this next project.
Jeez, that's oh my god. That's Dunzo.
Brand new fucking build.
Jeez.
Looks like I bust too, I guess.
Fuck, looks like you got like a fucking gun raid or something.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so fast forward, we're at Mark's house. Damn, oh shit. Wait, can I do the thing?
Yeah.
So how do you just...
Push it.
Oh, it even makes a ding sound too. That's fucking sick, man. Dude, that actually looks
Literally
fucking 2 years later, finally after buying it, got it on a car. I like it. Is that the horn's still attached, right?
It doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't?
No. I don't have it wired in.
Do you have to, or? This is a good thing now that if Connor's in the passenger, he can't honk on a driver.
Yeah. Or literally, I have to wire it in, or I have an airbag light on. It doesn't beep at me.
Oh, it doesn't? Oh, okay.
It's just an airbag.
But actually, I want to. I like it though. It's nice. That's sick, actually. Now, dude, honestly, guys, this kind of makes me want a quick release steering wheel now. Because the good thing, at least with my car, I can run one because since I don't have buttons on my steering wheel and shit, like I know Connor's car, he's got like obviously the volume and like the media settings on his steering wheel, but mine doesn't. But the only thing that I would lose is like that, obviously those two steering wheel carbon fiber pieces that I waited like 6 months for, I would lose, I guess. But no, Dickers, this looks saucy. I like it though. Even like the Sparko World Champion, that's sick. So Dickers' first mod, I guess, to the Beamer. Actually, well, no, you can't forget the little trees. Mark's got Bayside Breeze. Smells like literally like a forest kind of. We're actually going to be hacking off Mark's muffler. So literally, oh yeah, you can see, yeah, that thing's, it's literally just rusting to come off right out.
I don't have a shovel because my dad's not home.
When's he get home?
I don't know when he comes home. Or we're doing a job after work.
So you don't have the tools for it right now? Oh,
No,
shit.
Because I don't have anything to cut it.
2 hours later.
Can I get the race ramps? See if we can bolt it somewhere. There's gotta be somewhere. It's not just. There's not one piece from the header back. You're gonna dad doing helmet?
No.
Yeah,
When he's doing jobs, I don't know what.
Keep going. Keep going. I know. See, that's the hard part. It's like you gotta like Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you know, it fucking rolls off. You're like, what's she looking like, master mechanic?
It's not that bad. Yeah.
So you got a hanger there, and then.
Oh yeah, it is kind of slight on the angle of the exhaust.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm bumping over there.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
I could cut.
Yeah.
Or like all over the place.
True. Okay, well I guess next video will be hacking this muffler off. Alright guys, so I'm headed on the way home right now, so that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.
Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this nine is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and vroom, vroom, I'm racing. Popping pills in the lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is agent. Shooters go after shooters. Jesus Christ, if I live life on my knees, ain't no need to do this.